My name is Matthew Neufeld. I took the pre-apprenticeship program for electrical at the Skilled Trades College of Canada about 10 years ago now. I'm working as a licensed electrician currently, and my journey's been, long and, I don't want to say long and hard, but long and hard. The Skilled Trades College fully prepared me for trade school through basic and intermediate. It gave me a very good footing in the industry. I got a lot of different contacts in the industry. Gave me a really good first step to the rest of my life, really. The safety certificates, I got all my tools. The start was seamless into the industry, so it was a really good start for me. Starting so young, I was able to get my license when I was 25, and I was able to buy a house and all that stuff really, really early because of the great wage that I was making. So that was probably the best benefit that I had. I mean, I was never really much of an in-class guy. The whole school thing didn't really do it for me. So coming here and then, actually getting to touch stuff, feel stuff, the instructors are so knowledgeable that they'll give you secrets that you'll never learn before you actually start working. So when you go onto site and you're working with your journeyman and you actually know these secrets already, it really impresses them. It gives them an idea that you're very capable and you know what you're doing, and they can trust you, and they'll actually teach you a lot faster than any other, random guy that doesn't know anything about tools or how to work the trade or any specifics like that.